You'll often find your original emblems faded, pitted, or even paint flaking, making it look pretty terrible on your car after decades of being on the road. You'll be happy to know that we carry the exact reproduction you need. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1969 and 70 El Camino Tailgate Bowtie emblems. Manufactured from die-cast zinc, these emblems are the most authentic reproductions on the market. We use case-hardened steel tooling to ensure the quality and authenticity of every part. The emblems feature the correct bumpy grain on the inner portion of the emblem along with the chrome trim where applicable. We also feature intricately detailed factory-correct enamel paint just like the originals. In addition, they feature the correctly located mounting studs as well as the hardware for installation. It'll be ready to install right out of the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.